ETH cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, which certainly is very huge. ETH generally faces obstruction at $1,364.37, which explicitly for the most part is genuinely critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum in a real sense is drifting at $3,987,951,976 in a very enormous manner. The EMA 50 sort of is as of now at $1,421.10 in an especially huge manner. 02 July 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and certainly attempt to answer these regularly basically fundamentally sought clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What by and large is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Ethereum? In a real sense is ETH an excellent interest in an unobtrusive manner, Ethereum support and opposition levels and so forth, showing how Ethereum support and obstruction levels and so on in an essentially significant manner. In any case, prior to plunging truly profound into the ETH specialized examination, truly let us generally discuss the kind of current economic situations really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there essentially in a real sense was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,195,617,921,172 in a very significant manner. The beautiful kind of complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $24,077,659,794 in a very significant manner. Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19%, which sort of is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum most certainly has seen a value reduction of 0.51%, coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time span, or so they by and large thought. Or so they thought. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 1.54. And right now exchanging at 48 cents. So XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, basically is up by 1.54 and presently exchanging at 48 cents in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%. Or so they sort of generally thought. These occasions certainly demonstrate that the market sort of is going in an extremely descending bearing for pretty present moment. So the EMA 50, in every practical sense, is as of now at $1,421.10, which really is very critical. As of now and in every practical sense, exceptionally broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a by and large huge manner. Ethereum backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish fundamentally key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, so the sort of all-out exchanging volume basically generally remains at $24,077,659,794 in a very large manner. Support explicitly in a real sense is a level at which purchasers basically become essentially more really dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing how yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the ETH specialized examination, generally let us especially discuss the very exceptionally current economic situations, which sort of is very huge. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which merchants explicitly become move commonly dynamic and by and large in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum truly is drifting at $3,987,951,976, which generally is genuinely huge. Following by and large are the help and opposition levels of Ethereum. Ethereum execution The cost of Ethereum, ETH, most certainly is at $1,915.50, down 0.51% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and actually especially has a value change of 0.38% over the course of the week, which in a real sense explicitly is genuinely huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC essentially is 3,987,951,976.00 United States dollars, while genuinely all-out market cap came to $230,278,695,261 United States dollars, which explicitly is very critical. There generally are right around 120,218,755 explicitly are available for use out of 120,218,755 in an exceptionally significant manner. Ethereum value examination ETH cost investigation for 02 July 2023, inside a day-to-day time span, really made sense of beneath in a for the most part sort of significant way. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving pretty normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including genuinely basic moving commonly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving commonly normal, EMA, to truly examine the future development of the Ethereum. So Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33% in a very significant manner, which is very huge. The MACD line especially is remaining above of the in every way that really matters signal line after a quite certain hybrid, showing how Ethereum support and obstruction levels and so on, exhibiting how Ethereum support and opposition levels, and so on in an all things considered, significant way. Ethereum financial backers need to in every way that really matters hang tight for any directional change over the essentially day-to-day diagram, showing how we utilize certainly in every way that really matters, relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of basic moving certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Ethereum. So Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 42 and for the most part is attempting to break out of the nonpartisanship zone, which sort of shows that Ethereum support and opposition levels and so on, exhibiting how Ethereum support and obstruction levels and so on, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. While ETH's Williams %R marker for the most part is at 28.959 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange certainly signal truly is truly conceivable at this reach. So Ethereum financial backers need to essentially